Welcome to AI for IT Consultants, where you discover how to effectively integrate artificial intelligence into your consulting practice. This course is designed to help you harness AI technology, learning how to use it to automate routine tasks while performing in-depth data analysis with impressive efficiency. Imagine transforming tiresome work into streamlined processes so you can focus on solving complex challenges and delivering innovative solutions to your clients. Throughout the course, you'll be guided through in-depth video tutorials and practical examples that break down complex AI concepts into clear, actionable strategies. By working through these lessons, you will develop the skills needed to implement and manage AI-driven initiatives that not only secure your current role, but open the door to advanced responsibilities and enhanced job stability. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. This course equips you with a complete toolkit, from downloadable ebooks and audiobooks, ideal for learning on the move, to thousands of ready-to-use generative AI prompts that bring real-world scenarios to life. New material is added every month to ensure you remain current and competent in an ever-evolving industry. Get ready to feel confident and prepared, armed with the insights you need to excel in your consulting career. Discover all the AI for IT Consultants training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.